If I check this icon, just wow.
Huh? Bruh.
Another day, another victory for.
Do you notice me? Do you notice me? Yeah, yeah. I just wanna know, shawty.
Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download unlimited sound effect. Look like this. Just go to this website, then click free sound. This thing I will attach in description below and first comment. When you think you are ready to this website, you don't need login, you payment any others recommend here. Just choose your song and you can see meme, music, text to song, games, SFX, text to speech, lots of available here. If I check this icon, just wow.
Huh? Bruh.
Another day, another victory for.
Do you notice me? Do you notice me? Yeah, yeah. I just wanna know, shawty.
If I charge here are 2 lakh plus sound effect available for free. If you are living anywhere in the world, this does not matter because this website allow all country. I scroll down, then choose again. You can see this is a meme category. Then wow,
Your phone ringing. Your
this is anime.
Lol.
Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa
Sondern?
Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane.
You can see this is a famous and trending music. If you are charged on YouTube, you are able to find out this song. So you are, if you might disclose, if you download this sound effect, here are no copyright issue and any other issue because this website pre-gift you this icon. So if you want to more video, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. Take care.